Hello, what's up everybody? What it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Joyjah. In today's video, I will be refreshing my curls. I feel like this is a great and easy, convenient way for you to give your wash and go more life. So I'm really excited to be sharing my routine for the first time with you guys here on YouTube. Also, big shout out to my Suave family because they are sponsoring today's video. I will be using products from their Suave Professionals for natural hair. So stay tuned, you guys. So really quick before I dive into the routine, I washed my hair 3 days ago. That was like my full wash and go routine. I have a video live on my channel that you guys can check out. And every night when I go to bed, I basically just tie my hair up into this scrunchie. Just like, I just put on the scrunchie. I don't actually tie it up. And I let it sit and I go to sleep. If you want, you could sleep with like a really big bonnet. I do that every now and again, but not all the time. And this is one of the days when I went to bed with a scrunchie on my hair. So I take out my scrunchie and my hair is looking like this. My curls are a little bit flat, a little bit dull, and I just want to add some life to it. So here's what I do. I pull my spray bottle. My spray bottle, I got it from Amazon, and I fill it with some water. And I lightly spritz my entire head of hair. Not too crazy because I don't want my hair to be soaking wet. That's not the goal. I just want it to be a little bit damp so that the product could actually activate once I put it on. By the way, I hope everybody is doing well despite COVID and everything that's going on in the world. I got to go home for the first time in 10 months, which is unlike me, and I got to spend some time with my family and my friends, and it was just a beautiful getaway. I feel like I needed it to like revive me, re-energize me, remind me of why I'm here. So now that my hair is lightly spritz, we're gonna go in with my cream detangling spray from Suave. And when it comes to refreshing my curls, I like to use a product that is lightweight, especially since I already put a bunch of product whenever I did my wash and go. So this product right here is perfect because it gives me all the moisture that I need, and on top of it, it's lightweight. So if I do go heavy-handed, it won't weigh my hair down. And now I'm going to gently rub it onto my hair. I'm trying my best not to disrupt my curls, so just rubbing the product on, and then I scrunch. There we go. All right, so that was one section, and now I'm going to do it all over. You could go in and like twirl the curls to give it more definition. For me, I don't want my hair to be super defined, so I don't do that because I don't mind some of the frizz because it adds to the volume and all of that. Alright, so now the difference between an actual wash and go and refreshing your curls. An actual wash and go is when you go in and you do your entire routine from shampooing your hair, detangling your hair, conditioning your hair, and adding all your styling products. Now, when it comes to refreshing your curls, you're working with the hair that you already have dried. As you guys saw, I came on the camera with my hair already dried, but what I did is I refresh my curls. I use a spray bottle and I use some product to give my hair more life. So if you see your curls losing its definition, getting frizzy, and you just want to give it some life, you want to revive it, this is what you do. Okay, so now I'm going to hop off camera, dry my hair, and I'll come back to finish the entire routine with you guys. Stay tuned. Look how amazing these results are. It's just really big. The curls are defined, and you know what? It's been revived. It has all the life now. Look at that. And I literally sat in front of my fan for 15 minutes. And then lastly, I like to go in with this right here, which is the Define and Shine Serum Gel. And I use this just to give my hair some shine and lock in the moisture. So I just use a little bit, and I go ahead and scrunch it onto my hair. Get a little bit more so I can put it on my hands. There we go. My hair is magic, it is fashion, it is art, it is incredible, it defines gravity. I don't know what else to say, but our hair is incredible, and I hope that you guys love your hair, you embrace your hair. And I mean not just your hair, everything about you, because each one of us are beautiful in our own individual ways. Let that sink in. So I'm really glad that Suave partnered with me, because I really love use the detangling spray. As you guys can see, my hair looks bomb compared to how we first started. It looks so good. Their prices on a whole are super reasonable, and the collection is also extended. There's like a shampoo, a conditioner, there's a leave-in conditioner that's really good. I love incorporating that into my routine because it's also lightweight, so you can go heavy-handed with it and you will still get all that moisture that you need without weighing your hair down. And that to me is the key to a bomb wash and go, because I need all the volume in the world. Like, I need it. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. I love you. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also leave me a comment. Give me like video suggestions, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't already at Joyjah, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.